In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new calendar on Acuity scheduling. This tutorial is designed to help you streamline your scheduling process, making it easier for you and your clients to manage appointments. Whether you're setting up your first calendar or adding another to accommodate growing business needs, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. It's the starting line for our journey today. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on the login button to move forward. This step is crucial as it gives you access to your Acuity account and all of its features. Now, let's get you logged in. You'll be prompted to type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the Next button to proceed. This action takes us one step closer to unlocking the full potential of Acuity scheduling. Following that, you'll be given the option to continue with Google. This is particularly helpful if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, making the login process smoother and faster. Simply click on this button to move to the next step. At this point, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Select the Google account you wish to use for logging in to Acuity. This integrates your scheduling with Google's suite of tools, enhancing efficiency. Having successfully logged in, the next phase involves navigating to the availability section of Acuity. This is where you'll manage what times you're free and consequently when clients can book appointments with you. Now it's time to dive into the main task, adding a new calendar. Look for the calendars option within Acuity. This section is dedicated to managing your various calendars, making it easier for you to keep track of different sets of appointments, services or locations. Upon clicking Calendars, you'll see an option labelled ADD New Calendar. Clicking this brings us closer to our goal. This feature is designed for businesses and professionals who require more than one calendar to manage their appointments efficiently. In the Add Calendar Name field, give your new calendar a name that clearly identifies its purpose or the type of appointments it will hold. This name will help you and your clients quickly understand what the calendar is for, enhancing the scheduling experience. Next, you'll have the opportunity to provide a more detailed view of what this calendar is all about by adding a description. This can include details about the types of appointments or meetings the calendar will hold, or any other information relevant to its purpose. Following that, add a location. This could be a physical address or a virtual meeting link, depending on where the appointments or meetings will take place. The flexibility here accommodates both in-person and remote interactions. Now let's set up email notifications. This step is about choosing what email address will receive notifications about appointments booked on this calendar. It's an essential feature for staying on top of your schedule without having to constantly check the app. Another important detail is specifying the send replies to email. This is the email address that will receive replies from your clients when they receive notification emails. It ensures that any responses are directed to the right place, whether that's your personal email or a dedicated inbox for appointment-related communications. Finally, the moment we've been building up to, click Save to add your new calendar. This solidifies all the details you've entered, officially bringing your new calendar into existence. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding a new calendar on Acuity scheduling. This tool is incredibly powerful for managing your schedule, and by adding new calendars as needed, you can customize it to fit your unique business or personal needs. Remember, staying organized is key to maximizing your productivity and ensuring clients have a smooth experience when booking time with you. So, take advantage of the flexibility that Acuity offers and adapt it as your scheduling needs evolve. Whether you're juggling multiple locations, services, or simply trying to keep your work and personal life appointments separate, Acuity Scheduling acts as a partner in your time management strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to your organized and streamlined scheduling future.